is what I'm coming to you looking like. A hot mess. Like bad. But I had to come on here because I gotta show y'all my braid pattern for my hair. I'm about to install these, and I know y'all probably thinking, where you coming from? It's been a very long time. Stuff has gotten real, but this is what's going on right now. This is where my life is. I got a lot of stuff to do. I literally have a flight Friday. Today is Wednesday. I've been working, but we'll do an update later. Oh, let me get one. But anyway, right now my life is hectic. You should really give me one. Right now my life is hectic, and I needed something to do to my hair because I am going to Florida, and I just don't feel like being bothered with my hair. I just didn't feel like wearing no wig and keep it on. So I seen these twist, and everybody said how it only takes 30 minutes. So I'll be the judge of that. We're gonna see. I'm gonna set a timer. I'm about to start this. You see my timer? We about to see how long this takes. This is my hair. Try to leave some baby hair out. I got my mom to braid my hair. This is my pattern. So yeah, my head is really sore. I'm about to fast forward through this because Bae is watching TikTok. Here we go.